In this video, I will show you how to make a grid in Photoshop. Let's get into it. Click New File or go to File and select New. Name your document, set the measurements to inches, set the width to 10, the height to 10, and the resolution to 300. Keep the background transparent and click Create. Go to View and select Rulers. Drag the guidelines to the exact center of the width and height. Select the Line tool. Set the fill to black and adjust the weight to how thick you want the grid lines. Hold Shift and drag a vertical line down the center, then drag a horizontal line across the center. Go to Edit and select Define Pattern. Name your pattern and click OK. Open a new document of any size and keep the background as any solid color. Once you are in the new document, go to Layer, select New Fill Layer, and choose Pattern. Click OK, then open the drop-down and select the grid pattern you just created. If the grid is too zoomed in or out, click Snap to Origin and adjust the scale until it fits your needs. Play with the scale number until you are satisfied. Once everything looks right, click OK. And that's it. That's how you can create a grid in Photoshop. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.